Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Lara's look from the jeans video on Dress to Impress. So here I am just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on, which is just pretty much the hair. Select this hair in black and then position the Y to 0.48, Z 0.52. Then use this hair in the no meat toggle. And then use this hair in black, position the Z to 0.60, and rotate the X to 0.52. Then for the outfit itself, we are going to use this from the Springs collection. In this color, 445960 in denim, and you're going to apply that to all of the color, like the toggles. Then I'm just going to put on these shoes. You can use any shoes you like. I'm just going to color them black. Get these jeans and then turn off the flower toggle and color it the same color in denim. And then for this one, just color it gray. For the belly button piercing, use this one in just this gray color. And then for this one, you do need VIP, but if you don't have it, you can just leave it out and just color it silver. Oh, I did forget her earrings. Use, where is it? These ones. I can't really see them anyways in silver, but if you want to use them, that's fine. But you can't really see them because of the hair. And she does wear some necklaces if you want to add them as well. I don't think there's, maybe just use this one, honestly. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.